Hello friends. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have kitchen tools on Amazon that can level up your cooking game. From time-saving gadgets to essential cookware, these tools are highly rated and perfect for any home chef. Whether you're prepping, cooking, or serving, these items make kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. So stick around to find out which tools will transform your kitchen setup. So friends, let's start the video. Next, Boston Cocktail Shaker Bar Tool, a professional-grade cocktail shaker with a two-piece design for mixing drinks. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and a smooth shaking experience, ideal for home bars. Next, Stainless Steel Ice Bucket, a sleek, insulated ice bucket that keeps ice cold for hours. Equipped with a lid and tongs, it's perfect for parties or everyday use. Next, SMEG 2-Slice Toaster, a stylish retro-inspired toaster with 2 slots and adjustable browning settings. It combines modern functionality with vintage design, perfect for any kitchen. Next, Electric Water Kettle, a fast-boiling electric kettle with a sleek design, offering precise temperature control. Ideal for making tea, coffee, or hot water instantly. Next, Stockpot, a large, durable stockpot designed for boiling, stewing, or simmering. Its stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution for cooking large meals. Next, Multicolor Glass, a set of vibrant, durable drinking glasses in assorted colors. Perfect for adding a pop of color to any table setting or party. Next, Cookware Set, a versatile non-stick cookware set featuring pots and pans of various sizes. Designed for even cooking and easy cleanup, it's perfect for any kitchen. Next, Cheese Grater, a multifunctional cheese grater with sharp, stainless steel blades for grating, slicing, or shredding cheese and vegetables. Easy to use and clean. Next, Keurig K-Mini Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker, a compact coffee maker that brews a single cup using K-Cup pods. Its slim design fits any space, perfect for quick, easy coffee. Next, Electric Can Opener, a hands-free electric can opener with a smooth, automatic operation. It quickly and safely opens cans with a simple touch of a button.